Reporting on the Bongret is here. Hi everyone, welcome to Trade with Bongret. My name is Bongret Solomon, and again it's another beautiful Tuesday morning, and we are here to look at what is going on BTC charts. Okay, yesterday after the weekly candle closure, I told you I'm more bullish on BTC than bearish, even though we had a bearish candle on the weekly time frame. Okay, so you see yesterday when we get to the daily time frame, I told you guys that I'm expecting BTC to close on a green candle yesterday, so that our formation will be okay. So if you watch today now, Tuesday, the 30th day, right? Yeah, the 30th day of June 2026. You see how what you are seeing currently is end of the month wrap up candle closure. So if you go to the monthly, look at the monthly. Okay, yeah. At the beginning of the month, you remember the first time markets visited this zone, take this liquidity, and they rejected. I told you guys that this month will close bearish, and if this month should close bearish, we should expect bullish month by July and August. And likely what I just told you is happening. This month is closing bearish, and it was as a result of this closure, this candle closure, this pin bar closure on the monthly time frame. When I see it, I told you the month of July will definitely, the month of June will definitely close bearish. Okay, and look at it now. The essence of this bearishness is for the complete formation of the pattern the market is trying to form on the monthly time frame. Okay, if you see it, this is the first button here. We are looking at forward for the second button. So if this candle should close on the monthly for today, early tomorrow morning, if this candle should close like this, that means you should expect maybe a little more pullback, and then we'll start moving to the upside. Even though the pump might not be that massive, but the beginning of the pump will start next month. Okay, so that's by the way. Let's get back to what we are doing for the day and the weekly. Okay, so don't forget guys, if you're watching the short clip of this video, so don't forget to use the link under this video, join our YouTube channel, subscribe to it so that you always have a full access to the channel anytime we post analysis on a daily basis. And don't forget that we do this thing every day before 6 a.m. so in our social handles. So do it to always stay updated so that you always see what you should look out for on BTC every day. Now look at the formation now, even though the week is still new, but look at what price is forming on the weekly basis. If the week should close like this, which we still have a long way to go for this week, that means next week you should just expect another bullish candle, which will trigger the next month and bullish candle. I'm telling you guys, I'm just giving you guys the future now. Okay, so let's go to daily and see what Bitcoin did yesterday and what you should expect today. So look at the high of BTC yesterday. This is the high of BTC yesterday at 6,800, and the low is at 58,800. Unfortunately, it was a bullish candle closure, And then today now, look at the candle today. Market is massively dumping. Okay, this is a male pullback or a male retracement, because market cannot just continue going up like that. Even though yesterday I told you guys that I'm expecting BTC to come and trade here. There's another block here on the 4 hours time frame. 5 hours time frame. Told you guys I'm expecting BTC to come here, but due to low volume in the market, yesterday the market couldn't get there. So the formation is almost due. So if we should close bearish today, then from tomorrow, which is the first day of the new month, July, then we should look out and see what is happening. Okay. So but for now, what do you expect today? Now what I'm expecting is this. I'm expecting that price is coming to test this rejection yesterday. Okay, so I'm expecting for a fact that market should not take the low of yesterday, but if that happens, I will wait for a closure inside the range and then make my trading decision. But if not, I'm expecting market to come and trade at least 50% of this rejection yesterday, then give us a reason to buy, and then we'll buy to target the yesterday high. It's as simple as that. But all this thing, you must do it on a confirmation in the sense that you have to allow the market to trade into this zone. Watch whether market will take this low and then close inside on a lower time frame like 4 hours and then to 1 hour. Okay, watch the rejection. If there is a rejection here, then go to lower time frame for your entry model, use any of your entry model and entirely buy. Okay, or if market should close and come here, because there's still tons of liquidity here, if you check the heat map. Okay, maybe market want to clear the downside before coming to the upside to clear here. Okay, so you have to do everything with confirmation. And if you are not following any of our socials for updates and for live signals, do wait to follow us. And again, if you want to learn more of technical analysis, we are always live on our Telegram channel, 11 a.m. every morning, where we do technical analysis. We teach you how to do technical analysis, and then we give you live trades, live signals. Okay, so do wait to join that community and be part of the learning on a daily basis. We do it 11 a.m. West Africa time every morning. Okay, so thank you very much. Let's see what 4 hours is doing. So look at the first 4 hours of the Asian market, close so bearishly. You see this bearish candle is so scary. So this is, I used to tell you guys, it's not every red candle that is bearish, and it's not every green candle that is bullish. If you understand this thing, you will know how it works. Okay, so this level of hours closure. Okay, so that's why don't rush to enter any market now. Always do it on confirmation. You know how what I told you here. Allow market to take yesterday high, then close back inside the range, give you a reason to buy on the lower time frame, and then you buy. Okay, it's as simple as that. So thank you guys for having me. I remember humble self Bongre Solomon, and don't forget that Bongre is out. I'll see you guys again tomorrow in our next review. Bye for now.